How to delete all TikTok videos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete all TikTok videos at once. So to do that, first of all, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. And once you've done that, simply tap on the profile icon which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be taken to your profile page where you can see I currently have 6 videos posted to my profile. Now there is no particular option as to how you can delete all of the videos at once. So if you have just small number of videos, you can simply delete them individually by going to the video, tap on these 3 dots. Now scroll down and then on the bottom right side of the screen you can see the delete option. Now you'll have to do this for all of the different videos, but let's say you have more than 100-200 videos. That will take a lot of time to delete them individually. So to delete them at once, you'll have to delete your TikTok account altogether. So to do that, tap on the 3 lines over here. After that, go to settings and privacy, account, and now go to deactivate or delete account. So as of now, there is no option to delete all of the videos at once. So either you have to delete them one by one or you'll have to delete your account. So I hope this video cleared your confusion. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.